Let's say you're 8 years old and your father commands you to never play ball in the house, warning you of severe consequences. But you succumb to the temptation and disobey him, resulting in breaking his giant widescreen TV into pieces. You're devastated, ashamed, and afraid. The TV and your relationship with your father are shattered, and both are impossible for you to fix. But out of merciful love, your mother takes your penalty, pays the repair, and restores the damage. Consequently, your father accepts her vicarious restitution as well as your contrite heart. Now, this simple analogy signifies the crux of the Christian faith. Sin is an infinite offense because it attacks the infinite goodness and majesty of God. Thus, it's impossible for us mere finite beings to repair. Only God has the power to fix the damage and restore the relationship, yet it is man, the offender, who must pay the demand of justice. How is this dilemma solved? By God assuming a human nature and taking the hit. As man, he stands in for us and suffers our penalty. As God, his sacrifice has the power to atone for all sins and restore all things. This redemptive sacrifice for humanity is represented every Holy Week and Easter season. In fact, at every Eucharist, which in Greek means thanksgiving. We celebrate with gratitude the work of the God-man whose suffering, death, and resurrection paid the price for our sins and conquered death, the ultimate consequence of sin. The Christian response is to receive Christ's life in the Eucharist and follow him through death to the resurrection. So it's fitting to give thanks for being created and redeemed, both the work of divine mercy, from which we are eternal beneficiaries. And that's your Murano Minute. Let's contemplate these great mysteries.